What's up, YouTube? It's the Wasatch Wizard. Welcome back to the Premier Train. And you know what? Last week, I got this roll of wheat cents. And I've been thinking, what should I do with the roll of wheat cents? Then on the Premier Train last week, who was it? WildWest Stacker did a tutorial on how to polish silver. And I thought, you know what? That's perfect. Let's try polishing some coins. See what happens. Alright, so let's get rid of that and get a nice tray to work on here. We'll start off with just one wheat cent. Oh, yeah, there we go. That looks nice and grimy, right? See ya? There we go, baby stacker. Yeah. Okay, so what should we use to clean this? I know. I got some windshield wiper fluid. Let's try that. What do you think? We'll pour some in here. Now it's orange. The orange is a special color, right?
Yeah. It's orange.
Okay. Oh. And let's just try clean this off. See how it goes. Any success here?
I got one.
You got one too? We got some help here from Baby Stacker. Well, shoot. Not really doing much there, is it? What else can we try here? I know. Somewhere over here. There we go. I got this polishing compound. Let's try that. Get some water. We'll get just a little bit of polishing compound in there. There we go. Now, what you mix with this polishing compound is very important. That is why I use tap water. And our water here is extra hard, so it should work extra well, right? Let's get another Q-tip. Stir it up. And try the polishing compound again. Oh. You got some extra there that I didn't get. Wait, this is starting to feel warm. That's not right, is it? Scrub, 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 right? Gotta scrub this real well. Yeah. Let's dry it off. Let's see how we look. See how much shinier Abe is. Isn't that so much better? Aren't you just jealous of this coin? Yeah. But you know what? This is just one. We have a bunch to do. Let's try this. I have some jeweler's polish. I think it's rouge or something like that. And rotary tool. So let's try polishing one like this. That's not much. Let's speed that up. There we go. There we go. How's that look? Nice and shiny. You can even see, decided to leave a nice cloud nose, because why not? Oh, come on, I was thinking I can't do that. Okay, so I have here, I think this is 20 or 25 of those wheat cents. So let's do a bunch at once, and we'll put them here in this rock tumbler. Oh no, no, no. We're not putting those ones in there, okay? Sorry, baby stacker wants to put these in there. I'm not quite that crazy. That was a nice thought. Okay, we got those in there. What else do we need here? Oh, hey. We got this this sand. This will scrub it really well. So I'll put some of that in there. And then when tumbling, you're supposed to be using some tumbling media, like some stainless steel shot or stuff like that.
Step.
I don't have any of that on hand. I have these rocks though. Let's try some rocks. Yeah, let's put it in there. That's fun, huh? Okay, that's about, well, just under a half full. That's quite good. Now, of course, we need some good media, so get the good old tap water again and fill that up. Yep. Now I'll tie this up and put it on the rock tumbler. Alright, I got my coins in there with the tumbling media. Get everything set up. Let's get it rolling. Where's the switch? There's the switch. Now I just have to let it run for, I don't know, several hours. I'll have to double check the manual. Am I doing this right? I hope not. So I came back after about 4 hours and the tumbler stopped working. Apparently it got stuck. It's somewhere between 2 to 4 hours. So I don't know how long this has been running. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. Okay, let's check this out. How does that look? Oh wait, that's supposed to be doing pennies, right? No, tumbling rocks. Oh, well. Okay, here we go. Here's our pennies. Our lovely wheat cents. Let's see what's, oh, got another rock and another penny. So let's compare these pennies side by side and see how they look. First off is the one we did with Q-tips. Next up is the rotary tool one. A little Dremel. And then I actually really like how this one came out from the rock tumbler. It's so sparkly. Sparkles! Think Alcorn will be happy with that? Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle! And for comparison, a new penny that has not been cleaned. I just don't think it has. Now look up close, I'm not so sure. You can see how the light shines off that and rays. Let's compare the four of these together. Yeah, you can see how they just have different luster, you know? This Dremel one's probably the closest one. But even there, can see how it's just not the same. So there you go. That's what happens when you clean pennies. I forgot I want to see how much weight I lost with a rock tumbler. So each penny, it should be 2.5 grams minted. That means that 20 of them should be 50 grams. So there's my 50 gram calibration weight. Just showing me the scale. Here is 20 pennies from the roll with nothing done to them yet. And, is that right? 61.68 grams. Does it got a gun or something? No, no. Let's look at our sparkly tumbled wheat cents. I'm sorry. Still think these are just hilarious. 61.56. So what was that difference? I already forgot. But didn't lose as much as I thought. And by the way, one thing about these pennies, if you look at the edges here, these have been rounded down quite a bit. Just one reason why cleaning them is not as good. Besides, it's just so obvious, you know? I just think it's so funny still. You know, like a bunch of girls would really like these? I don't know. They're still copper, at least. I can enjoy them for the copper still. I'm sorry to anyone that's like cringing the way I destroyed these pennies. It was just so fun, I couldn't resist. Oh man.